Hello everyone. For repair today we have this asus computer. The model number is a K55N. This is a AMD processor A8. So the problem in this one, computer turns on, no display. So let me bring the charger. You can see the light here. You can see the light over there, but there is no display. So the first check, we're going to check the RAM. So this is another RAM. I know this RAM is work because I just took it from a good working computer. So here the light is on, and still no display. So I'm going to switch this RAM to the other slot. If you have two RAMs already installed in the computer, test it with one RAM. That's more going to give you the idea what's the problem. So here the computer turns on, and still no display. So now we are sure it's not the RAM problem. So I put the RAM back. So next we're going to reset the BIOS by removing the CMOS battery. And we're going to short the positive and negative for it to discharge. And we're going to test it again. So the light is on, but still no display. So remove the LCD screen. The processor is getting warm. I mean, there is the power going to the processor. So we're going to plug it in and we'll test some voltage. We're going to test the processor voltage and the RAM voltage. Going to look for the 3.3 1.8, 5 volt, and 1.2 volt. Like this is good. So the computer plug in, I'm gonna so here the light is on, and we start checking the power. So on this coil, here is 5 volt, here is 3.3, and 1.5, 1.1 here, 0.9, 0.9, this is the CPU voltage. We have this voltage here, 1.2.
You see the messages? You see it now? iPad Air. New battery.
19 volt here. So there is all the voltage. Wow, the CPU is getting very hot. This is not normal. So see if any voltage shorted. So here is kind of very low. It's about see how many ohm here. Must be this is the CPU voltage here.
I'm so hot. Everybody, you have some fresh bubble.
We have like 1 ohm here. I see like it was, you can see here it was like a capacitor, and this look like it's blowed. So here, so kinda there is a short somewhere. The CPU is getting very hot for like less than 3 minutes the computer on, the CPU shouldn't get this hot. So we have all the voltages for the computer to turn on. So next I'm going to change this CPU. Shouldn't get this hot.
Mommy, do you have any gum? Never have gum.
This is the same. This is the old one, and this is the replacement one. This is a EMD EH4500M series. And we have the display. So that's what was wrong with the computer. It was a bad processor. And so if you have the same model with the same issue, this is how you check it, and this is how you replace the CPU processor. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you on next one.